and hormones that help break down foods. Enzymes or digestive juices are secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine, which helps in digestion of the food. The small intestine. You see, my dear friends, the small intestine is a highly coiled, is about 7.5 meters long. What a peculiarity God has created. You see, my dear friends, 7.5 meters long. It is a long organ, and this is the small intestine. Now you see, it receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Besides, its wall also secretes juices. The small intestine is the part of intestines where 90% of the digestion and absorption of food occurs, the other 10% taking place in the stomach and large intestine. The main function of the small intestine is absorption of nutrients and minerals from the food. See, this is the small intestine. Absorption in the small intestine. The digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi, singular villus. Plural form is villi. Can you guess what the role of villi could be in the intestine? The villi increases the surface area of the absorption of the digestive food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface, very micro. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported via blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as proteins required by the body. This is called assimilation. After absorption, it is assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed then enters into the large intestine. This is the large intestine. The four major functions of the large intestines are recovery of water and electrolytes, formation and storage of phases, and fermentation of some of the indigestible food matter by bacteria. The ileocacal valve controls the entry of material from the last part of the smaller intestine called the ileum. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum. There is semi-solid feces. The fascia, the fecal matter, is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called EGESTION. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you, friends.